Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Swaggy. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys having a good week, good day. Okay, yeah. So I'm just updating you what's going on with me. What's up? Yeah. So just came from Kingston the other day, and guys, I go to Kingston. If you stay on my channel long enough, you know that I go to the orthodonts them, and they work on my teeth them. Yeah, because I have TMG, so yeah, I have problem with my jaw popped down. Yeah, so I try to sort it out. Yeah, and I feel a little discomfort. I mean, I like the feeling. I'm a bit depressed every time it happens every time, because every time them tighten the braces, me feel depressed. I feel like my mouth too, teeth them tight, teeth under pressure. I can chew on my right side, and plus they are moving my teeth so I can have my implant in the future in between. So they had to install a spring, see, in between my teeth. I know it looks weird, but I have to do that, and it's not easy, guys. And whoever wants braces just for pretty look, I don't know if me would do it for the pretty look. If me never had to do, if it wouldn't be my part of my treatment plan and all the problems with my jaw, I don't know if I would do that, cause it ain't easy, it ain't easy. It ain't easy. Yeah. Yeah, just to make you know, yeah. But still, I try to decide where I should I do my implant, because in Jamaica it really costly, because places who are specialized on them something, they're limited, so they don't really have the competition here, so them do what them want to do. So based on my research, on what I check on the internet, I can get a good quality implant in Russia for the same money if that me I gotta pay here in Jamaica to get just normal implant. So I still try to decide, but then again, guys, if you will include the money, ticket money in it, so I just hope it can be like when I would just regular go to Russia. So I just sort it out in Russia, because trust me, guys, Jamaica is not cheap when it comes to good health care. Everything is costly, everything is pricey, and based on what I see, my treatment, my braces treatment costs almost, not almost, costs like in America, costs like if I would do it in America, in USA. Yeah. When you have a YouTuber husband, Errol is making YouTube video. Yeah, so guys, yesterday we went to the Price Mart. Alright, so I decided to buy meatball. So I got a big pack of chicken. It's a whole cut up, and is that a whole chicken or half of it? I think whole cut up chicken. Yeah, man, one chicken I get yesterday in Price Mart. We pay for it. Price Mart in Kingston. All right, so kind of can compare town prices to Ochi. So we pay for it. Yeah, plus tax. Yeah. I don't know if tax go upon the meat and them stuff, cause sometimes me see some things them not get taxed. I don't know why happens, but some things what you see upon the price that you pay at the cashier, but only some things, and really some things, because most things tax go upon them. So I wonder if like local stuff they don't tax it. Yeah, but anyway, me pay like 1,000, almost like, let's say 500 Jamaican. The whole chicken. Yeah, me well satisfied with it. Me well satisfied. It's good to buy beef in Price Mart, because yesterday I got a really good size of the beef on bone, and I pay for it 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 Jamaican. For the next one I pay like 1,000 Jamaican. So based on what I see here in the supermarkets, it's much more cheaper to shop a town in Kingston. Yeah, but trust me guys, when I'm in a Price Mart, make careful with what I pick, because sometimes you just pick foolishness, foreign foolishness, and you know, money just run out of your pocket, because your bill heavy, your bill always heavy when you go Price Mart. So I just buy a pack of pistachio too. Yeah, so me say me just, you know, pistachios are so expensive when you buy them separate, so I get a big pack of it. How much here? Maybe a kilogram. Yeah man, kilogram of pistachios cost me 2,000 something. Still expensive, but me believe if you want kilogram that pretty fair, it kind of annoying to stock up your house for buy things, because if you want to really economy, if you're not careless with your money, you're gonna buy it from different places. So yeah, but me always excited when I go to the market. Me excited because I can talk to the people and, you know, joke sometimes. And I don't know, just, you know, when you go to the fruit market, vegetable market in Jamaica, you just feel vibes there. Yeah, but when you go like to the supermarket, like everybody just with a straight face and just a stroll, no vibes not there in a supermarket. Yeah, if you want vibes, you have to go to the market, and that where vibes there. Okay. Today I will pick my package from the package company. Here a company carried the package. I order from Amazon because that's what I do, because we have an anniversary on the way and girl has to look good, okay? Yeah, girl has to look on flick, ready. Here, so I ordered a dress. So it's not like I'm saying, it's a company, is a carriage company now. Like this company carry Amazon goods from America to Jamaica, and then we pay them to receive the package. That's how it works. Yeah, so we gotta pick it up. I'm excited. Alright guys, so I couldn't hold for long, so I decided to unpack it in the car. Well, I can't unpack it because we were paying for the packages, and Errol paid for his packages, I paid for mine, so I had to peep through a little. So you know what, I'm kind of disappointed because I swear the material was different a little bit, because I ordered a polo dress. This is a Tommy Hilfiger, so I was expecting it to have a material, the polo material, a little, you know, like the strong material, but this came. I know I should read better, but the material is nice still though. It's a nice long polo dress. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, material would be like a polo material, but yeah, so that is the thing, when you cannot see like physically stuff, you have to order it. Yeah, next time I should read the description. But here the last time I was reading description, cause I'm gonna read the description to understand the size. That's what I always do when I order clothes. So I was ordering Adidas dress. So every review said the dress is small sized. I mean, you have to buy +1 to your size. So I said, alright, I'm gonna do that. So my size is S. So I added medium. So when the dress came, guess what? When the dress came, dress big. So I said, even when you read the damn description, come like, you know, do nothing. So I'm disappointed because stuff is not cheap, you know. Even though I try to buy it from sale sometimes, most of the times, stuff is not still cheap, you know. So I really was disappointed. And this come like, I don't know. And it's not like super sale, because on Amazon you cannot get like the same foreign sale, so don't get it twisted. You still have to pay money. We also have to pay money when we clear it. So how much I pay? I pay like today 1,700 to clear the dress, the like little dress for me. And I'm no weight. Now I'm no weight, but yet I must pay 2,000 Jamaican. So yeah, I just want to say that when you come to Jamaica, make sure you have more than enough. I like when you come for a while, you kind of stock up with the clothes, especially because in Jamaica, listen, clothes are not cheap at all. Even though you order sometimes you can order from overseas, yeah, but you have to pay for clear it, yeah. So if you have a chance, just to make sure you have enough, then enough, yeah. That's what I always do. But you know how it goes, like some event, you don't want to repeat clothes, so you have to have new clothes. Kind of want to have like picture and you're in the same clothes. Here's how it goes. But you know, my husband, he don't care, he only care. But me a woman, you know, woman different thing, you know. Women, we have to always look sweet and cute and still fresh. Yeah, but I like the material though. It's just a cotton, like nice cotton material, but I was looking for different things. Alright guys, so guess what, I'm gonna check the attic right now, because since we moved in, I've never been up there yet. So alright, I need to check out the attic, because we live in this house about three months already. I may never go there yet. That shows we're busy with everything. So me busy with everything, because I'm sure Errol gone there already. But you know, easy if you open, just open it. Jesus Christ, and easy if you open. So what am I supposed to do? Errol, help me. How am I supposed to open it? Understand? But too short. Okay. Jesus Christ, it got kill me off. Nah, look like it got lick me on my forehead. Alright guys, going to check out. I'm going. I don't feel safe at all. I don't feel safe at all though. Okay. So here's the attic, guys. Oh, look at space though. It's very, you know, the ceiling low, but for me it's perfect. I'm short. Yeah, so first time here, so I still did not decide what I want to do with it, because I wanted it to be a room where you can get some rest and, you know, relax your mind. No, it's not a smoking room. No, not that type of relaxation I'm talking about. I wanted it to be more like yoga room, meditation room. I don't like how the floor looks, honestly. My whole idea is to carpet this floor because I feel like it is the best way to go. Alright, because I just think it needs a carpet here. I know it now gonna cost a little bit because my ideas always cost. Errol always bash me because I'm say Swaggy, every time you want to do something it costs us wallop, but I just see this attic as something with carpet on the floor here. Yeah, but it now got cheap. Yeah, that is the plan. That is my plan. So I'm gonna go and discuss it with Errol and listen to what him gonna tell me. Because, you know, still I have to discuss things with Errol. Then we'll decide and I'll tell you. I'll show you if we decide to carpet it. But I believe it needs carpet. It will be much more comfortable here with a carpet. I don't know if I will allow my kids up here for now because they're too small. And it seems... It is high. If you drop from here, you're gone. Cause look, you're not gone, but you're damaged. All right, yeah, you're damaged. Cause this is a tile door. Oh, yeah, man. So you have to be careful. If you call Errol, if you close it, cause we're too short. All right, guys. I don't know if I told you, kids gonna school. So school started, not fully. No, they go 3 days. They go to school and 2 days Zoom call. Yeah, my big son, he made an order. He said he wants me to make some Russian pancakes. Yeah, blinchiki, Russian blinchiki. So I have to make some blinchiki for Leo. And of course I'm cooking as usual. I'm cooking. They're doing some regular stuffs. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make Russian blinchiki. I think a long time I showed once, but you know, this you can make at home actually, because all the ingredients, they are affordable, they are there. If you live in Jamaica, you can make it. Yeah, you need a flat frying pot, so if you not have it, it's gonna be like a problem, but still you can make it. So it's easy and you might love it. So I will show you how I do that, so maybe you will surprise your, I don't know, your family with some Russian dish. Okay, so let's start. And it's very easy, so I'm sure anybody can make it, even like a picnic. So I just will break 3 eggs first. Just make sure I have a nice bowl here. So see, 1 egg, and all the ingredients, they make sure are room temperature, so it just will be better here. So make sure you take them out before. Here, so I'm just gonna break 3 eggs in my bowl. That's what I will do. See them? We'll throw half of a teaspoon of salt. This is salt, guys, here, and I will add it to the eggs. And then, guys, I will add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'll use white sugar, but you can use any sugar you want. It doesn't really matter. And ta-da! Just mix all the ingredients together. 200 milliliters are plain flour, just a regular flour, right? But for it, I will use it here because it have to be fine. Can be lumpy. But guys, don't throw all the flour in one time. So first, like, throw half of the cup. Throw first 100 milliliters. I'll leave a little bit here, so that way it will be much more easier for you to mix. Yeah, guys, keep stir it, keep mix it. So then I got 200 milliliters. Look what me measure it with. That a Daniel be buckling now, but I just love it has measurements, so I keep it. I love it. Here, so 200 milliliters are room temperature milk going there. Here, just make sure it's not cold, because if it's cold, you can scrub up the thing and throw it away in the garbage. It's not gonna work. Everything has to be room temperature. Here, so I'm just gonna go and mix. So that way your flour will melt tonight. Here, no lumps, because we don't want them something. And I'm gonna dash the rest of the flour. Here guys, then I'm gonna add boiling water, real hot water for the bubbles then, because that way you got bubbles in our pancakes. Well, some people don't like bubbles, but I love bubbles, so make it bubbly. And I will add 3 tablespoons of the oil. Normally in Russia we use sunflower oil, but in Jamaica I stick to coconut oil. All right, yeah, coconut oil, just 3 tablespoons, and we're gonna mix it again, guys. So just keep stirring it, and if you see lumps, try to get rid of them. But like I told you already, if your ingredients are warm, all right, you will not have them here. You know, behind you see the t-shirt, Errol t-shirt, jersey, the one he used to wear when he was playing for Kimpi or Russian Premier League team. See there guys, it's like a water. It's like a thick water here, not too thick and not too waterish, just right combination. These are the best recipes so far. I tried so many, I'm gonna give you one of the best recipes, so you guys have the best pancakes here. Come know some people add some what I made baking soda. I'm gonna add them something, you know, natural things I deal with here. Yep. So let it stay for 1 minute, let it rest a little bit, and go and clean your kitchen like me I go do. Because every time I cook, it will cost me. Because trust me guys, when I cook, I just concentrated on cooking. I not watch no clean kitchen, you know how kitchen clean. I not clean here, me I cook. So when I don't cook, I clean, but me not the process, you know, with all of me. So Errol always cuss me, say, Swaggy, look by your kitchen when you don't cook. Look disgusting. You're the nastiest person. I say, listen, I'm the nastiest person, but look, taste my dish. I gotta see what here, cause my priorities in the dish here. I not concentrate on cleaning and cooking and everything, you know, try to combine together. May I cook clean after. Wait. It's your time to make green chicken. Make sure. No. Look a bit more. Yeah. Acha. Jamaican cook Russian dish. All right. So now take this in your hand. Splash, and spread it. Make sure twist it, turn it. So make sure you spread it. Yo. Do it. No, it looks good. Just put back pan. Put back pan the stove. Yeah, it's alright like that. Like now, you just observe it. And when it's gonna get too dark, you take your spoon. See there? Yeah, I think it's time for you to turn. Turn with your hands. Help it with your hand. Spread it. See? Yeah. Go on. So now I can just mix it. So I just, you know, do the rest. Yeah. See the guys? Yeah. Ready, Michelle? Yeah, I make sure now this side this side. No, you're not have to peep it. Just get a little time. And you can use your fingers though. Oh, you're so shy. Oh, what? It's too hot for you?
No, about myself. You know, I'm not look with.
Alright, guys. So, taught Errol how to
I'm gonna do a next one. This may be look.
make blin chicken. You're gonna do the next one?
Yeah, this may be look.
Which one? Let me see. I'm on done. It's okay. It's fair removed. Alright, so now I'm gonna know a little bit left still. Mix it first, yeah? I'll mix it with your spoon.
Yeah.
And just yeah. Looks like you loved it.
Yeah, try it. You know when you get the boss?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Just make sure it's not too waterish in one place. Make sure it's spread out good.
Yes, me spread it out.
Yeah, because it's too waterish and now go cook rather, you know?
I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's a little waterish. So you have to make sure. Wait a little bit. Too fast. You're going to damage it. You see when you start turn it. You start turn it when you see it. No. More even brown. You see? Here, start turn it from here. No. Yes, start turn from here. But your mistake. See? Your mistake is that it's too thin here. And too thick here. So it got either burn or that now go cook rather. So you have to always you can't do that. Spread, turn it. And you got tear it. Here.
It's still alive, you.
It's alive, but you see here. See the bubbles? Yes. It's bubbly. So let's all cook it. Yeah. So I'll show you how I flip it. Because it's not easy to flip it. Alright.
Yeah.
What do you think about bleach? Love it?
Just make sure so you don't do something for me. You always want to do for the boys and left me out.
You always want to name them off.
Yeah.
So share.
Since you know, so I want to name them off. Make enough.
Yeah. I never feel. Give me a credit. See, the first
round of applause.
Field. Yeah. So just love it because you can stuff it with anything you want, with the cheese, with anything. You can eat it with sweet stuff, and it's so opposite convenient.
Guys, I like my one plain here. See me how she make it on the pot now?
Yeah.
I like it when she put no sausage in it. I like it when she put nothing in it. Just give me. You just have a nice taste by itself. With a glass of lemonade.
Yeah, but if you like beef, eater, if you're eater, you stuff them.
You should have stuffed them like tacos.
Fat
Like tacos with a bag of things.
Fat eater.
See there? So me like it. This bad. Nah, gonna lie.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed cooking with us, and try it. Don't be shy, try it. Cause may I tell you, if my husband in love with it, in Jamaica gonna love it. Just make sure you not over salt it, you not over sugar it. Just follow my recipe, follow the measurement, and you're go good. You're go alright. You're gonna love it. Yeah. So please hit the like button. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.